Hello trader. I will give you an expert advisor worth $12,483. Forex expert advisor that I will share in this is Northeast Way EA. Watch this video until the end and don't skip it. If you are new viewer, I advise you to subscribe to this channel and you will get a free expert advisor every time I upload a video. And don't forget to also click the bell button so you don't miss the next video update. In this video I will discuss (1) Detailed EA Northeast Way review from the MT5 site. The rating obtained from this expert advisor is 4.62. This means that this EA has a pretty good history of performance. The system used is the pullback method. The system uses the main patterns of the Forex market and trading, the return of the price after a sharp movement in any direction. Works on the MT15 time frame. Base currency pairs, Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar and Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. Additional currency pairs, euro to pound sterling, euro to US dollar, pound sterling to US dollar to Canadian dollar, pound sterling to Canadian dollar Dan, euro to Canadian dollar. The setting of this parameter is as follows. 1 chart setup, for _magic, only _1 symbol, for _auto lot _use, auto and the rest you can take a look at. There is a recommended setting here. The first uses a capital of $1,000 and the second uses a capital of $5,000. For a capital of $1,000 it is recommended to use only 3 pairs. Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar and Australian dollar to Canadian dollar, with the default setting of 2,000. For a capital of $5,000 you can use all the recommended pairs. From Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar to euro to Canadian dollar. The auto setting was changed to 3,000. The 2 settings above recommended leverage is 1 to 200 or more. And don't forget to run this EA on the MT15 time frame. From the results of the Australian dollar to Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar and Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar backtest with 99.90% quality from 2009 to 2019. The Northeast Way expert advisor can generate millions of dollars in profits. You can see the details like this. Okay, these are recommendations from the expert advisor developer Northeast Way. 2. Live trading results using the ETH/USD pair. Secondly, I found references to trading results using a real account in the ETH/USD pair using the Northeast Way Forex expert advisor. In just 3 months you can get a profit of up to 563%. Capital used $500. And the resulting total balance is $3,319. For details you can check here. Total trading 474 transactions. With a total of all profit trading without any loss. With details of 274 long transactions. And 200 shorts transactions. For transaction details like this. These results were obtained from August 2021 to October 2021. The results for the ETH/USD pair are very good. I can't find the source of what preset settings he uses. For that you can please do your own observation and find the right preset for you. All back to your decision. If you want to be safe maybe you can set the parameters from the Northeast Way expert advisor development team in the first session of this video. And if you want to get more results than that, you can observe the preset settings. Okay. My review of the Northeast Way expert advisor is enough for now. To update trading results, I will update the possibility of 1 week ahead. If you find this video useful, you can share this video so that others can benefit too. Thanks for watching till the end.